Hello everyone. I thought that it's better for this lecture to make a real example what I meant last time by try to recognize shapes in a picture because I think it's a good exercise. I would like to do maybe we do all this stuff together. Let's say landscape. What we see, let's see what we see, what we find around then. So we choose images here. Okay, I don't know if maybe it's better landscape or maybe showing also with the other picture. Okay, let's say with some example landscape. Okay, which one? Let's start with with okay, let's also okay, let's start with this. So what we can do, we save this, save as, so we save the picture and we put paint example1. We save in the desktop, okay? Then we open here paint file, open. I save it in desktop, so we go to desktop. Paint example1, open. Don't save, we already have. Okay, this is a very small, so when it's small you can make bigger like this. Oh, bigger. I think it is enough. Yes, this is enough. Okay, the example I want to tell you, okay, that I meant is this. Okay, let's observe this picture. What I see, okay, is a landscape with the sky here, we have a mountain here, and there are trees and a lake, okay? I would like to ask you, if you would be here, which shape with the lake, which shape has the lake? Okay, come on, this is very simple. For me, it's very similar to, let's open here a little bit. Okay, let's do it this way. Looks a triangular shape, right? So, okay, I will draw here one. It's too thick, I will put thinner. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's draw this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the lake is done. Let's put the lake is blue, we put blue. Okay, then let's observe. Let's see this, let's consider this horizontal line like a straight line, right? So I will put a straight line at this level, like this, okay? What is, then let's consider, let's start from the top. Here I can see another triangular shape. I see a triangular shape here. Let's do with the red. Triangular shape here, the one. Let's consider this a big triangular shape. One is, so this is triangular 1, triangular 2. Let's see here, there is a triangular number 3. Okay, and I would consider this like another triangle. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's do here just to, okay, you see at the is the same, this peak is the same with this peak. So at this peak we have 1, 1, 2, 3. This is number 1. number 2 looks that start from here, right? So from here we have number 2 that reach the border here, here, and here, and number 3 that is a smaller one here. Let's put here 1, 2, okay, 3. The fourth is those one that start from here, okay, and go up here. Let's do horizontal, okay. Let's color this with green. So green, this is green, green, green. Let's put this blue, just violet actually, okay. Then let's draw the cloud. A cloud, what shape do we recognize? We can recognize like oval shape, like this, okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay. So let's change the color for the number. So no, let's put which color? Yellow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay. Let's draw this here. We will draw with blue. So we have 1 that start from here, so looks at this big like this and reach this point. It's 1. Then there is this, the 1. The 2 is here, it's in the middle between the mountain and the bigger one. Here there is a small one that it's here, and the last one it's here above the other one, okay. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the triangle. Let's put here let's recognize some shape for the trees. So here the trees have 1, 2, 3. So for the trees, let's use blue. So the tree is from here, go down here, go up here, and do this, okay. Here there are trees. Another group of tree is here. Let's put here this triangular shape. It's here, okay. And here there are another small groups here. Here let's put oval shape here to represent this small green here. Here there is a small triangle here, and so on. Here maybe for the first, here I would like to make a rounded shape for this area. So here we have a rounded shape, okay. Another round here, okay. That's it. This is what I meant. Put the grass with the green color, okay. Green color, green color. The sky is, let's say, light blue, okay, in a simplified way. Here we have this, and then dark green for these trees above here, okay. Dark, here is dark area, dark here, dark these trees here, okay. And here is, let's say, another color here. That's it. This is what I meant. Okay, this is green, I think, normal green. No, it's dark. You can take the color. If you use this tool here, you get the color of, no, sorry. So if you use this tool, you select the color appear here, and then you can use it. Like now, this button is available. You can fill with the same color of this. That's it. This is what I meant. I think this example is enough for today. Maybe I don't know if next lecture I will make another example, but just to to understand how we can make a real picture, we can simplify it and start to make a digital project, so a digital basic idea for our art, okay, for our digital art. So okay, I hope you enjoy, you learn something from today also. So let's see next time. Have a nice day. Bye.